another Romwe unboxing haul. It has been a minute since I've done one of these, so I thought it was time to do another. And let me just go ahead and say, do you guys notice that this is actually in a box? Every time I order from Romwe, literally it comes in the plastic bags, which is okay, but I was just like, what? I got a box? And another thing I want to know is that this package came in a week and a half when my other packages from Romwe have come in like a month. But I also got priority shipping with this because it was like if you spend a certain amount of money, you get like perks, and so my perk was free priority shipping. But still, I was kind of shook. So I just kind of wanted to talk about that for a second. But this video is going to be me doing a unboxing, so you guys get to see my true first impression. I will make sure that I list the size and I also list the price of what I got. And then also I'm just going to be doing a try on haul so you guys can kind of get an idea of how it looks on me, so that way you guys can decide if you want to get it. And I will make sure I leave all, links down below to everything that I decided to buy in this video. I just kind of want to note and say all of these products I picked out by myself, I have purchased with my own money, and all opinions are my own. Romwe is not sponsoring me at all, but if you ever want to, hit me up. But basically, I'm just, a girl in my living room. Actually, I'm in my bedroom. I'm just a girl in my bedroom trying to do a Romwe unboxing. So if you end up liking this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. Make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know what other website you would like me to do a haul from, like an online website that we all want to look at. And then also, the most important thing that would make me super happy is if you hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there, there's a icon button that you can click, and it is, a little bell, and it just tells you every time I post, which for me is weekly. But without me, I'm just talking a lot, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so we can't do an unboxing unless we have the key knife. So we have this key knife, and let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so it's very, very taped up, which is pretty great, I guess. So, open it. Yep, super secure. Okay, so since it's only been a week and a half, I kind of remember what I got, but I don't remember everything. I kind of when I buy Romwe, I just try to kind of forget about it because I think it's more fun to open boxes. But wow, it's definitely filled to the brim. So this is what it looks like. Okay, first thing that I see is this green thing, but I genuinely don't know what I ordered. That's green. Oh, okay, so I got a bathing suit. So honestly, I'm probably just not going to do a try-on aspect for the bathing suit just because I don't want to. But this is what the bathing suit looks like. Green top, and then it has these little sleeves right here for you to put your arm in. So I thought this would be really cute. I like the idea of just having like an army green bathing suit. And this is what I'm kind of worried about, the bottoms. I know their bathing suit bottoms are a little cheeky, and that's just not my style. But I got this, and the quality of them seem pretty decent, so hopefully this fits. But this is the first item I got. Everything else I can try on for you guys. So the next thing I have on top is this. I don't know what you are though. Oh, I know what you are now. Okay, so first of all, I just want to say these came with like little straps, and I've never seen them do that. But this is one of those off-the-shoulder tops, and I was struggling with what size I should get, so hopefully this fits. But I actually ended up getting a large because so many people said the sleeves were like incredibly tight, but I feel like this definitely is going to fit. And so let's go ahead and try this on. I am feeling this one. I am so glad I got this in a large size because I was struggling with that size chart. But guys, this is so cute and it's so comfortable, and you can see that it has like the little ruffles at the top, and I am into this. This with like a high-waisted skirt or a pair of jeans would look so cute. It is so simple. I am into this. Definitely glad I got this. Next item is also in black. Y'all, I just really have an issue when it comes to black clothing. I love it. Oh, I think I know what these are. These are the leggings. Okay, so I got a black pair of leggings, and it just has these white stripes. Honestly, they're like the Adidas-esque, but like really not Adidas at all leggings. I just thought they'd be super cute to wear, and I have a pair of like white tennis shoes that I thought would be really cute. So these are very simple and just a pair of black leggings. These are definitely a lot thinner, but I've noticed like Romwe leggings are thinner, so if you don't mind that, then you're totally good. And honestly, sometimes like the thinner leggings, as long as they're not see-through, are more comfortable in my opinion. And so we have these leggings right over here. leggings are next. Honestly, they're super soft. I was not expecting them to be high-waisted, which I like them even more for doing that. And I really like this line. I just feel like it gives you like a good shape, and I don't know, it's just really cute, and I'm into these leggings, and they're so soft. Hopefully they don't like stretch out too much when I wash them, because sometimes like the material gives in, but like for the price, I swear Romwe's leggings have not like done me wrong, so I think I need to order more Romwe leggings because I am into them. Next item, this is calling my name. I know what this is. So this is actually a dress, and so hopefully it fits. So let's open it up. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I wonder how this is going to fit me. So I ended up getting this in a size medium. Oh gosh, okay, the first thing I can kind of tell is that it is pretty sheer in this lighting, but keep in mind, like, I have like window lighting coming in right now, so it might not actually be this sheer when I wear it, so hopefully it isn't. But can you see through it? Hello? I don't know. But I'm not mad at the design or anything. I'm just wondering if I maybe ended up actually getting a size that is too large or if it's gonna fit perfectly. So let's try this on next. So this dress, I am actually so surprised by. I thought maybe I wouldn't like it, but I'm so glad I got this size. It fits actually pretty good. And the one thing I will say though is like when you're walking, you kind of feel like your legs are like stopping themselves. Like this part's kind of tight. So keep that in mind. And then also like this outfit with knee-high boots, like I could feel it. I like it. The material is a little thin, so definitely wear shorts with it. But other than that, like I don't think there's really much wrong with it. So into it. And also the straps are adjustable, and I didn't know that. So that's pretty good about this one. Next item. Is this green? What did I get? Oh, I know what this is. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I forgot about this. So, I have been wanting this for a while. This again is super thin. Everything is so thin, I can't help it. Sorry I keep saying it. But it is a corduroy, right? Like a dress. They're the dress overalls. And this is so cute. I actually think I got this in 2 colors. I don't know where the other one is. But this is so cute. Hopefully it like fits really well. But this was ridiculously like cheap, and so I had to get it. And I think this would be so cute with like a white long sleeve or something underneath it and like maybe tennis shoes. So I got this corduroy dress. So excited for this. I cannot wait to try this on. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so for this one, I love this. I am so excited for this, and I love the color because I think it's so like fallish and winterish. But the only thing that is a struggle with this dress, or like this overall dress, are these buckles. Like you literally have to spend 10 minutes messing around with these, and you have to be super careful or you're going to destroy them, and they're still not even that even. But you know, it's doable. Just be patient with it because you don't want to mess up this dress. It is so cute, and I'm so excited to be able to wear this out. This is like the first thing I put in my bag, I remember, and I know I got this in like the largest size available because I wanted to make sure it was super slouchy. But the reviews, so now Romwe apparently has reviews on their websites also, and this review, everyone was like, it's okay. And so, let's see. Oh, okay, how is this the largest size, first of all? But it's just this shirt, and it just says babe on it, and it's really gray and normal, and I kind of just wanted like a long like sweater type of thing to wear with my leggings around the house or when I go to class. And this is just super thin, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I think it should work. I honestly wish this wasn't as cinched in at the bottom, but maybe when I try it on, it won't be, you know, too bad. I just want to say, like, how is this an extra large? Like, this would be like a small in a normal store. And my arms are kind of longer than the average person, so this is like not working. And I'm really disappointed because this was supposed to be really cute. But like how is this gonna fit? Like for real. So I don't know how much I'm actually going to be wearing this side. Okay, there's a string coming from this. Why is there a string coming from this? I am not excited about strings coming out of plastic bags. I don't think you guys can even see it. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this up. So something that I've noticed like this season that's been more on the fashionable side is like super furry items. And so I got this super furry sweater, but it literally looks like it's falling apart. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. Please tell me why it's so like cropped looking. I didn't think this would be cropped, and it kind of just looks like, I don't even know. I don't, okay. Okay, so we have this one. I don't love this, and the material's not great, and the sleeves are cropped, but I also feel like you can like maybe make this work, but like maybe not. And like this is just like, please check out a close-up of this material. Like I just don't know. Like I feel like it's warm, but like what's happening? Next item. Something just flew out. Okay, so I know what this is. I got another like just a basic t-shirt. I want to say like from my past hauls, I've noticed that like I really wear their t-shirts a lot, and so I wanted to get another one. And this one I think I got in a super large size, and it just says no. I just want to say this shirt is so simple. It's just one of those easy ones I can wear with an outfit. I do wish like it was a tad bit longer, a little bit baggier, but honestly this is just like a normal t-shirt with the letters nope on it, so it's pretty basic, nothing wrong with it. It's just like, do you want a shirt? Do you like the word nope? Get it, wear it. Basically, that's all it is. Okay, another black item. Oh, this is cropped. This is cropped. Okay. Wasn't expecting that, but it's just this black sweater. And can you tell it has that little knot over there? I definitely think like this could still work, but I just am not a big like cropped sweater girl. Like I like my sweaters actually really long, so I always get them like a couple sizes up. But I don't know, hopefully this works, hopefully this is cute. I really did like this like crop detail, but I don't know if, I think I paid like $15, hopefully I'm right, but I think I paid $15 for this, and if I saw this in a store, I'd probably maybe pay like $7 or $10. So maybe I'll really like it when I try it on, let's hope. Okay. Okay, so my biggest problem with this is that I did not expect it to be so cropped. And like, you can literally see my belly button, and this like, just like it parts open for my belly button, and I'm not into that whole belly button look, so this kind of just makes me feel uncomfortable. And so unless I'm like maybe wearing this like with something super like high-waisted, like I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. So that is definitely a big disappointment for me, because this was one of those items that I was really excited for, especially during the winter time. But I guess thankfully the sleeves are long enough, so yeah, I don't know. Okay, so I know what this is. You remember that black, top I got in the very beginning? This is the white version of it. Speaking of items that we've already seen, here we are again with the corduroy, what's it called? Corduroy dress, that's what it's called. So this again is such a cute color. This is exactly what I expected in terms of color. It's just like this muted pink color, and like think about how cute this would be like during the spring, okay? Next, I have been dreaming of this skirt in my head, so hopefully it fits, because I haven't had the best skirt fitting situation when it comes with Romwe. But okay, why did they not button this up for me? So let me just button this up real quick. So this is what it looks like, and I think it's like pretty cute. I just didn't expect it to be so flared out, I guess. So I'm kind of curious to see how this actually works when I wear it. But like looking at it now, I kind of wouldn't be surprised if this doesn't work at all. So that's just great. Black, again, what are you? Oh, okay, so this looks a little, y'all can't even tell, but it kind of looks a little thin. But this is another black sweater, but this thing actually has bell sleeves, which I thought was really cute. And I was like, maybe I could wear this with that brown skirt. This could be a look, but I don't even know how it's going to look. Let's see how this looks before I make a judgment on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this outfit together. The top isn't really that bad. I wish maybe it got a little bit tighter here and the sleeves were a bit longer. But my main problem is this skirt. Like, first of all, it just is not high-waisted like I thought it might be. And I feel like if it fit like this would be like a really cute outfit. But first of all, it just gets like really like wide at the bottom, and then the fabric itself just sticks to you so weirdly. And I don't know if it's like staticky or what, but it just looks weird. And so it's throwing this whole outfit off. I don't know. I'm disappointed with this skirt for sure. And this top, like, I like it, but I just really don't know how many times I would like actually wear it in my wardrobe. So you know what I'm saying? And lastly, wow, we already had our last thing, but I'm like pretty happy with most of this. Okay, so this is a sweater, and surprisingly, maybe I spoke too soon. And yep, this is a thick sweater. That's great. So it kind of looks like what I'm wearing right now. Hello. But I got this sweater, and okay, this is probably like maybe from what I can tell so far one of my favorite items. But basically, which one's the front? Which one's the back? Is this the front? Let's just pretend this is the front. So it has like these like frayed edges, which I think is so cute. Is it picking up like these like frayed edges? And it has them in the front, and then it has it in the back, and then on the sleeve it's normal, but at the bottom it's frayed again, and it's like a little crop top, I think. So this is gonna be so cute to try on. I'm really excited about this. And it, of course, the last thing in my box is one of the thicker items. So let's go ahead and try that on. Okay, so I would just like to say I actually really like how this fit, and I'm so glad I got it. Like, please tell me, like, look how cute this is. And this is definitely not as cropped as I thought it would be, so pretty excited about this one. And you can also kind of like bring it up over the shoulder a little bit more if you really wanted to, or like do it to one side. So into this, definitely into this. Okay, so this is the end of my Romwe unboxing video, and as I was looking at the ground, do you know what I noticed? I noticed this plastic bag in particular, and it literally says Shein. Conspiracy theory or not, I am calling it right now. Romwe and Shein, same, okay? But without that, you know, distraction, I just wanted to end this video and, you know, give you guys my opinion about everything. So overall, I just, you know, there's that one thing that kind of keeps bothering me, and it is the material. Even though I'm paying like normal prices, I feel like I would see at stores. Like if I'm paying $15, I feel like that's a fair price to see at like Charlotte Russe or something for a sweater. So some of these things are just not as thick as I would prefer it to be, but that's the only thing that kind of like bothers me. Of course, when you order from Romwe, you really don't know how the sizing is going to be, but like that's the purpose of these videos, so that way you guys can kind of like get an opinion from my first impression and from my try on. So without, you know, without all of that, like overall, I really do like ordering from Romwe. I think it's always a really fun experience, and you do get like some really good deals from it as well. But let me know what your opinion is about Romwe. Let me know what you guys thought was the best thing that I tried on. I would love to know. And you know, while you're down there, feel free to hit that subscribe button and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And also, there's a bell notification icon button that you can press if you're, you know, interested. And that way you get notified every time I post, which is weekly. And you know, if you guys have any questions about the products that I got, just check out the link down below, and you can just, or the description bar down below, and that way you can get a link to any of these items if you guys are interested in them. Without further ado, I will see you guys next week. Bye guys!